YouTube. What up, guys? Yes, sir. I'm back here in Jamaica. I'm at my house. Yo, Chico, my dog is like the craziest dog, bro. He gets so excited every time he sees me. He's wagging his whole entire body, bro.
What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, we going so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, yeah, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide.
So there she goes, eating the food. How's that food, baby? Show them that plate. Show them that plate. Rise it up.
10 out of 10.
Huh?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Come on. As soon as she started digging in that food, she's like, let me stop being a big back real quick. But you're loving it though.
Yes, good. Thank you so much.
No problem. This is what you call a real Jamaican authentic meal, guys. It's not no outdoor food, restaurant food, home cooked meal, you get me? Y'all gonna go to a river, so stay tuned for that river, guys, cause we need that wash off. We need to wash off the crosses, the bad energy. Pot chef, that chef off everything. Good morning, YouTube. Yes, sir. We got our coconuts. Are you ready to try this coconut, babe?
Yes, I am.
So this is, you know, the real deal. This is not no canned coconut that we have here. This is the real coconut. You get me? Sliced open. We're gonna be going to a nice hidden gem, hidden river that I've never been to before. And I don't think she's been to before either.
Nope, never been.
How is it? She's like, Even the coconut water, it's just like flowing through your body. And it's like you're literally, I'm here choking on the jelly. God damn. I drink the coconut water, I feel like I'm just being lifted up into the sky and just being taken to coconut jelly heaven. Coconut water heaven.
Well, I didn't go to coconut heaven, but it was really good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? We're going to the rental spot, pick up a rental. Then after the rental, we're going to the river. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that river. We're gonna be going on an adventure today. You guys seen, we had some good food last night. I think we should get like a veggie patty today. Look at this dog right now. Eating all those coconuts. He's loving it, bro. Chico, what's that in your mouth? Huh? You love that coconut, don't you? Look at you. You love that coconut, huh? Are you ready for the journey?
Yes, I am.
She's like, yes, 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 I am. All right, guys, so we are going to the river. Yo, she's holding on to me because she doesn't want to slip. It gets slippery down these slopes, I can tell you that very much. She almost, oh my God. Yo, don't drop, bro. Don't drop. Yo, I'm telling you, over here, it gets crazy. It gets crazy. So, yo, you got to really hold on because it's dangerous going down this hill right here.
Going up is better for me.
Coming up is better for you?
Yeah, it's the going down that gets me slipping.
Yeah. This is a very steep hill, that's why. Don't drop. We also might stop for a kalaloo patty at Mother's. Instead, my mom told me that Mother's is better than Tasties.
Said Tasties, so he take that back. He's got recommendations from the pro. And she just knows what's best.
She knows what's best, right?
She just knows what's best.
I ain't gonna lie, I love to see this. I love to see this cleaning up. Cleaning up in the neighborhood. Make Jamaica great again. You see this? This is what you call taking care of the community. Bro, a lot of countries are so beautiful, but they get destroyed by all the garbage and pollution that gets thrown out into the streets. So with this right now that I just seen at the side, I love to see that. Keep doing it, Jamaica. You're doing a great job. So we just got our rental, guys. We are in the whip now. I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks. You excited?
Yes, I am.
All right, bet. So let's give you guys a little snippet of how the car looks. Ready for the road, ready for the road, ready for the road. Are you ready for the river? Are you ready for the river?
Yes, I am.
Listen, it's time, guys.
swim.
You're ready to swim? She's like, oh, I'm not gonna go swim. I'm not gonna get in the deep end, this and that. Stay tuned for this river because it's gonna be crazy. Bro, this is my first time going to this river.
We have to find it first.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be a crazy adventure, bro. I know you're in sandals. Make sure you hold on to me because you're gonna be slipping and sliding all over the place. Came to the mall real quick to just exchange some money. Where are you at?
Medea.
You ready? Yo. Well done. Yeah? Half a tray. Man didn't want to go upon, he wanted to go on the video real quick to shout out his business, you know.
Yeah.
That's why he was like, yo, get me on the video. Alpha tree. You know what alpha tree means?
This is the road, right?
Yeah. So we got the car. Now we're gonna get some money, exchange some money because we can't have no fun without money. And then after we get the money, we're gonna get the patty that my mom recommended.
Oh, it's right there. You see it?
You see it? Yeah. How you feeling?
Pretty good. Ready to dive in.
Are you hungry?
A little.
You're not hungry though, right?
Not yet. Maybe like in another hour.
Another hour, she'll be hangry, so I gotta hurry up and do what I'm doing. We're about to get this patty right now. We just arrived to the location. Yes, sir, we got the mother's patty. Okay, so let's see how this tastes real quick. Because we got to get to this river, bro.
Cocoa bread too?
Yeah, I got cocoa bread and a callaloo patty. The greens for the callaloo. Yes, sir. You ready to try this patty?
Yes, I am.
All right. Oh. My mom was a lion. This right here, this is it. It's not too flaky. It tastes. No, yeah. The first bite was a little dry.
You just said, oh yeah.
First bite was a little dry, but then I actually, like, when you bite into it again, you can get like more flavor,
Yeah.
and more juice in there, you know?
Yeah, it's good though. I like it.
It's fire. This is the one. You gotta add the cocoa bread with it. If you don't add the cocoa bread, it's not the same, bro.
So let me just tell y'all something, right?
So before we had these patties right now, he was like, hands down, tasty, tasty, tasty. He said, mothers don't have nothing on tasties. Juicy have nothing on tasties. So then his mom told us, like, oh, mothers is the best. Now, what happened? You just throw tasties to the side?
No, honestly,
No, sir.
thing about Tasties, because when I would eat beef, their beef and cheese can't match no other patty. That's why I was saying Tasties patty is top tier. And Tasty, it has more flake.
Yeah, it's very flaky.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
There's no, with juicy patty, it's a lot of beef. And I hate like a lot of beef because then like you're biting into a patty and then you got like beef patty spilling on your friggin' your hands and it's burning you and then you like, you know, it's just all, it's too messy. You know what I'm saying? It looks like it's starting to like spit a little bit outside in terms of like raining. It's not raining super hard, but I just want to catch the river before it gets dark or if it starts raining. So stay tuned for this drive, bruh.
We came back to the crib because it started raining and there's no way.
We can swim in the rain.
Yeah, we are not drowning today, guys. Bro, we got rained out and the only thing we can do right now is just stuff our face
And relax.
and relax. So tomorrow we will be going to the river. I will catch you guys in the morning
See you tomorrow with a clear sky.
with clear skies, bright and early.